Well, good morning, everyone. My name is Marty, and
Jackson.
And he's going to help me make today Herman sourdough gingerbread muffins. Now, this recipe, we can also make pancakes with it. But that's what we're actually going to do today. So, Jackson, what do you have there?
The sourdough
starter.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're used to calling it sourdough. And this one's name is special. This is the sweet one. Today we're calling it Herman, and we're going to show you all the happy bubbles. For this recipe, you can choose to feed it ahead and use it in your recipe, or you can just take it as it is, give it a stir, and then put it in your recipe. We're going to pour in 1 cup of the Herman or the sweet sourdough starter. And then we're going to add to the start of the wet ingredients 2 beaten eggs. And now we're going to add in 1/4 cup of melted and then cooled butter. And now we're going to add 1/3 cup of molasses. Is 1/4 cup of milk. Going to add in 1½ cups of flour. I didn't have another ½ cup measure, so I used 2/4, which equals half. And here we have on our plate to start with is 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, ½ teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom. And the last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And we're just going to drop that in there. And then with a plastic spatula, we are going to stir up the ingredients. I've added blueberries to the top of these, and we're going to see what they taste like with the molasses. Alright, so this is Jackson's first time trying these. Molasses pancakes. Blueberries, really? Head nod? Yeah? Okay. And I only flipped this one over to show you what the bottom is like. And we always sprinkle on extra blueberries with the maple syrup, and you can do it any way you would like in your house. How is that? How's your molasses pancakes?
Good.
Right? And you've been not wanting to try them for a while, and today you decided that you would because you saw how much we like them. And there's something about the blueberries, maple syrup, and the molasses, which ends up tasting like caramel when you have the blueberries and the molasses together. Yeah, it's super good.